In this video, the Bitcoin price is getting a massive resistance within 21,000 US dollars, and right now we are going to understand what is next for the Bitcoin price action. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. But before we start this video, take note guys na meron tayong free Gabb's Crypto 101 playlist if you want to start trading within the cryptocurrency market for free. If you want to learn how to make money within the whole crypto market, all you have to do is just to check out this Gabb's Crypto 101 na you can find on YouTube by typing in Gabb's Crypto 101 on YouTube search bar, or you can actually find this guys in the description down below. But anyway guys, let's now dive into this video. And yeah, wala tayong nabigyan update for the past 2 days kasi I was actually out of Manila and kakarating ko lang kanina. And medyo pagod ako, actually super fatigued ako with my latest travels. But yeah, let's now dive into this latest analysis and let's give you this analysis and let's try to go back within our latest analysis. As you can see, let's give a quick recap sa ating previous analysis. What we were monitoring was this rising wedge within the hourly time frame. So you can see na meron tayong rising wedge. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, that is not yet confirmed not unless we see a bearish breakout with sell volume. Look at that, we saw a bearish breakout pero wala tayong sell volume. So then that would indicate that we are more likely going to see a fake out. In that case, nagkaroon tayo ng fake out, then we just further consolidated. But right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So looking at what we have right now, there are two things now we can actually look at this. So number one, some people would say that this could be a head and shoulders pattern forming within the hourly time frame. So you can see now we are forming a shoulders, a head, and the shoulder. In that case, we can actually target this next area of around by getting the height nito ating head, then lagyan natin sa possible point of breakout, and that could lead us around the 20.2k area if we are going to break bearish dito. But take note, in order for us to confirm this move, we must have a sell volume upon this bearish breakout. In that case, if we are going to break this, then I'm going to open a short position. Then we are just going to target the 20.2k upon this bearish movement. So that is what we can also monitor dito. And take note that it's not yet confirmed, not unless we see a candle close with sell volume. And on top of that, another sign that we can actually look at this is this massive resistance within across all time frames. As you can see, we are getting a lot of resistance within this area. So we got resisted once, twice, and right now we are resisted thrice by this area around the 21.2k. So as you can see, all signs are leading to a possible it's actually indicating a possible resistance area dito kay Bitcoin price. So I think we are just going to further consolidate between the 20k up until the 21.2k. In that case, that is just going to further continue this pump and dump trend within the hourly time frame. In that case, I think it's best to hodl lang for the time being for the short term. And yeah, we can actually swing trade this latest opportunity na pinakita ko sa inyo. Pero if let's say you want to focus into a low risk investment, then actually this is one of the best time to buy and accumulate more Bitcoin. As always, at what I've been saying for the past 6 months na nga, this season is actually the best buying opportunity. We have mentioned that countless times sa ating logarithmic growth curve. And that's what I've been telling you. I've been buying and accumulating Bitcoin for the long term. It doesn't matter kung ganong karami or ganong kalalim or kahit anong area. As much as possible, I am accumulating more, and then para if ever the time comes na bumalik tayo sa ating long-term bull market, malaki yung ating makikita na potential gains of within this whole crypto market. And take note guys, the best thing that you can do with your coins for long-term hodlers are actually to stake your coins, and the best place to stake your coins is actually in crypto.com, because dito if you're going to stake your coin, you can actually earn of up to 14.5 interest per annum on coins as well as 10% on stable coins. And if you want to claim bonus on our crypto.com account, you can actually use my sign-up code, which is Gabb's Crypto. You can actually find that too in the description down below. And if you are going to sign up dito sa crypto.com, you can actually get this beautiful metal Visa card if you are going to stake their native token, which is CRO. And as you can see, if you are going to stake CRO, marami kayong pwede makuha benefits depending on the card na inyong gagamitin. And as you can see, you can get the following benefits too, such as yung ating free Spotify account, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Airbnb, and many more. So as much as possible, if you want to claim bonus dito, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. So that is for the Bitcoin price. That is what we are going to monitor. Number 1, the potential head and shoulders pattern, and number 2, the resistance forming within the 21.2K or 21.4K area. Diving into the altcoin market, as you can see, we are still on a decline pa din dito sa ating Bitcoin dominance. So right now, that is indicating na altcoins are still performing better. In that case, ano ba yung makikita natin sa ating altcoin markets? If let's say nagko-consolidate si Bitcoin, tapos si dominance is declining, ang mangyayari kay altcoins are likely going to see a little by little na increase, paunti-unti, as compared to Bitcoin as long as the dominance is declining. And with that being said, let's give you an example with that kay Ethereum. And as you can see, as compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum has been increasing slightly for the past few days. So as you can see, diba dito kay Bitcoin, we just actually moved sideways after this rising wedge. Nag-sideways action lang siya as compared to Ethereum, na umakit siya lalo. And that is because of that Bitcoin dominance na nakikita natin na nagde-decline. So that is indicating na altcoins are actually performing better against Bitcoin. So as you can see, Ethereum is right now on a very good movement ngayon, but it's just still consolidating. But right now, what can we assess from the Ethereum price action? So similar with Bitcoin, I think the best thing that we can actually monitor dito is actually the potential head and shoulders pattern. Then similar with Bitcoin. So right now, I think what we can monitor is this head. Then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. And that could indicate that we might actually go back to the $1,140 US. And take note, this is not yet confirmed, not unless we see a candle close with sell volume dito kay Ethereum price action. So right now, that is what we are going to monitor, both with Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, if you are going to see a candle close below the support. So take note, not everything is confirmed yet, not unless we see a candle close with sell volume. But anyway, ayun muna update natin for the time being. Hopefully nabigyan kayo ng update. And if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.